Ate Jean.
1, 2, 3.
Happy 80th birthday, Ate Jean! What a blessing!
Naway patuloy kayong biyayaan ng ating Panginoon ng malusog na pangangatawan at pag-iisip ng mahabang-mahabang panahon.
Nagpapasalamat po kami, Ate Jean, sa inyong pagmamahal at paggabay sa aming magkakapatid mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Ate Jean, habang buhay po namin pahahalagahan ang inyong pag-aalala at pagmamahal sa aming pamilya.
Mahal namin kayo! Enjoy your party!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday,
Happy
Te!
birthday po!
Mag-enjoy ka! Mag-enjoy ka!
Eugene, it's Michael Batista here. Thank you so much for everything during my high school years, bringing us food, and also thank you for raising such beautiful kids, my cousins Cecil, Nicanor, and Nova, and hope you have a great time.
Hello, Ate Jean. Happy 80th birthday. May the Lord shower you with all the blessings, good health, and lots of love. Sa totoo lang, masabi kong ikaw ang isa sa pinakamabait kong tiyahin. Siyempre, pinaka-sexy. Hanggang ngayon nga, balingkiling tapin ang katawan mo, di ba? Sa totoo lang, Ate Jean, sa mga pamangkin mo, masabi kong ako ang isa sa laging nakatambay sa bahay nyo. Lalo mo nung buo pa yung bahay nyo sa Buendia, pag pupunta ako sa inyo, narinig ko yung mga tugtog ni Kuya Temi, mga old songs niya, hanggang nahati yung bahay nyo, na nag-alaga pa kayo ng rabbit sa taas ng bubong, tapos mga raming aso, at may ibon pa kayo lumilipad sa loob ng bahay nyo. Sa totoo lang, Ate Jean, pinadaw mo sa akin na hindi lang parang pamangkin, parang tunay mo ng anak. Yung pagmamahal mo, yung pag-aruga mo, yung panahon mo, damang-dama ko yung pagmamahal mo, Ate Jean. Kaya maraming salamat sa'yo, and happy birthday ulit, and all the blessings, and lots of love. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more better years to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Jean!
Enjoy your day! We love you!
Mami, happy birthday! We love you, we miss you. Balik ka na rito sa Boca.
Happy birthday, Mami.
We wish you good health all the time. Ingat ka palagi. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Nana Jean. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I love and miss you. Hopefully, we get to see each other soon. Say hi to Ninang for me and everybody.
Hi, Mama Jean. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mommy Jean! Happy birthday po! And I know you enjoy your birthday kasi nandyan si Ciso. Happy birthday. We miss you, Mommy Jean.
Jack, say happy birthday too.
And wishing you good health and happiness and especially good health. Happy birthday, Mommy Jean. We love you.
Love you and stay young. Be happy.
Bye. Happy 80th birthday.
Alright.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Jackson.
Happy birthday, Mami Jean. I miss you. I love you. Nai-miss ko na yung roast beef mo. And I will see you soon pag uwi ko dyan. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mami Jean. Happy 80th birthday. I wish you, of course, good health, happiness, and all the love. Thank you for always being there for us, for being our second lola, for being there for nanay. especially for Nanay. We're blessed to have you and Mommy Pretty. Enjoy your party, and we miss you here. I'll see you soon, here or there. I love you, Mommy Jean. Ingat ka lagi.
Birthday, Nana. I love and miss you so much. Can't wait to see you again. Mwah. Have the best day.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Hi, Nanay. I just wanted to say I love you so much. I miss you. Hope you have a great birthday, and I think of you every day, and I'm thinking of you my thoughts and prayers. I love you so much. Hope you have a great birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mommy. We wish you good health and many more years, healthy and happy years to come. We miss you, and we hope that your day from today and the following days will be happy, memorable, and yun lang. I miss your sweet and sour pork, Mommy, and everyone miss you here in Jacksonville. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. Lagi ka naming naaalala dito. Miss ka na namin. Iingatan mo lagi sarili mo, ha? I'm always praying for you. Hope to see you soon. And enjoy mo yung party mo, okay? I love you so much.
Hi, Mommy Jean. This is Mayan, sister ni Mato. Happy 80th birthday. And wishing you all the best. Have a great day. And happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi, Mommy Jean. We miss you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. And we don't want to miss your 80th birthday. So we wish you all the best.
And luck in the
whole
whole wide world.
So, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan, kahit na hindi mo kami nakikita. Pero mas masaya ka sana kung nakikita mo kami. But anyway, so happy birthday and good health and long life.
Yep, and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday again and hope to see you soon, okay?
We love you.
We love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah.
Hi, Nanay Dean. It's your 80th birthday, and I hope you have the best day celebrating with your family. We love you so much.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you and we miss you. We hope to see you soon.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy Jean.
Mommy Jean. More birthdays to come.
Hi, Mommy Jean. Hi, Mommy Jean. Wishing you a happy 80th birthday. Happy 80th birthday, Mommy Jean. We miss you here. And naway pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay, kalakasan ng katawan, at magandang kalusugan, at mag-enjoy ka, Mommy Jean, with your family and with your friends. Wish you the best. We miss you, and we miss your masarap na luto. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you and we miss you. We love you. Mama.
Happy birthday, Mommy Jean. Mommy, kumusta na kayo dyan? Hopefully, healthy kayo, nag-enjoy kayo. Okay, stay healthy. And we miss you. Sana bumalik kayo, magbakasyon man lang para makita namin kayo. Okay? So, anyway, enjoy the rest of your life. Have a great birthday. And we wish you the best. And we are praying for good health for you.
Mommy Jean, stay happy. And we miss your smile. Matagal na tayo hindi nakikita. So, bisita naman dito. Kahit sandali lang. So, para magkita-kita. Pagdating nyo, meron tayong grand celebration. Okay? We love you.
We love you, Mommy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again. Mwah! Bye!
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Mami Jean, we miss you. Enjoy kayo sa birthday nyo. Sana kasama namin kayo dito. Or pag uwi namin dyan, we'll see you. And we miss you all the time, Mami Jean. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Mommy! So, ang wish ko sa'yo is a long and happy life and good health. And I wish that we get to see you again soon. We miss you. Happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. We miss you. We love you.
Happy birthday from Nanay. Miss ka ni Nanay, Mami.
Love you, love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Mama. Enjoy your day. God bless you, Mami.
Happy birthday po, Lola. May God continue to bless you as you live your life, and may God always keep you healthy and safe at all times, and may God continue to pour you blessings sa future. And kung may iutos pa kayo sa akin, iutos niya lang. We love you, Lola. Happy birthday po ulit.
Go. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Hey, Lola, I miss you. Say hello to Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Oh, say hello to Lola. Hey, Lola. Happy birthday from Lilo. We love you, Lola. I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday. I love you, I love you. Lilo misses you. Say goodbye na to Lola. Bye, Lola. Ah, I love you, Lola.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I miss you. Love you. Kailan tayo makikita. Sana makita tayo uli. Kailan tayo pupunta dito. Okay.